What if it doesn't work out? What if you give it everything and it still falls apart? Maybe you'll look like a fool. People will laugh, whisper, and even say, "I told you so." You'll waste time, lose money, burn energy chasing something that was never yours to begin with. That's why it's safer not to try at all. Stay where you are. Hold on to the dream instead of testing it. Because as long as you never step forward, you can always pretend it would have worked. That way you never have to face the truth. But here's the problem. You're right, it probably won't work out. Not the way you imagine it. And that's exactly why you should do it. Think about it. Most things don't work out the way we expect. Business, relationship, or even YouTube. The first time you tried to ride a bike, you fell. The first time you spoke up to a girl, your voice cracked. The first few videos barely got any views. And yet somehow you survived every single one of those failures. So yeah, maybe this new thing won't work out either. Maybe you'll fall flat. Maybe people will laugh. Maybe you'll feel like you wasted your time. But what if that's the point? What if not working out is actually how it all works out? Because every wrong turn, every so-called failure has a way of shaping you into the person who's ready when it finally does click. Or maybe, go ahead, play it safe. Don't try. Stay where you are. That way you'll never have to deal with disappointment, never have to face rejection, never risk looking foolish. But then again, you'll also never know who you could have become. You'll never see what might have been possible if you just tried once more.